Laika Garcia, alam ko madami tayong napagdaanan. Marami na rin pagsubok ang nalampasan. Ngayong araw na ito nagsisimula ang bagong chapter ng ating buhay. Sabi nga nila, road to forever. At ngayon, napatunayan ko na meron ngang forever dahil natagpuan kita. Mahal na mahal kita, Laika. Salamat sa pag-aalaga at sa pag-iintindi at sa pagmamahal. Kung minsan, alam ko na naiinis ka sa akin dahil sa makulit ako. Alam mo naman natutuwa lang ako dahil naiinis ka. Pero kahit gano'n, hindi mo ako pinababayaan. I love you, B.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in this light, your silhouette over me. The way it brings out the blue in your eyes is
Hi B, eto na yung araw na hinihintay natin. We'll start a new journey, a journey to forever. I love you B. Yes, hindi na ako makahintay makita ka naglalakad sa akin. Love Army.
And now we'll disappear into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
B, eto na. The day has come na. Our forever with God will start now as a couple. We've been through a lots of trial at hindi mo ko iniwan kailanman. Lalo na nang umalis tayo papuntang Dubai. Di mo ko iniwan. Kahit na alam ko naman na hindi mo kailangang umalis, but you did because of me to take care of me. And kahit ganon, hindi din tayo magkasama doon, still you always make it through, napuntahan ako. And now, kaharap na natin si God to guide us through whatever journey we will take. We'll just need to trust Him, B, and this forever will be forever and ever and ever. I love you, B.
That I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment I knew you best.